How to install Google Meet on laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily install Google Meet on your laptop. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go over to your web browser and then simply search for Google Meet. Hit enter and you can find this URL meet.google.com. Go ahead and click on this link over here. Once you open it up, as you can see, it only opens up in website. Now, unlike mobile phone, you cannot directly download a separate application for Google Meet. However, you can create a shortcut for this website that would open in its own separate window. You can do that by going over to the top here on the search bar and you can find the install Google Meet option. You can go ahead and just click on it and then click on install. If you don't see this icon over here, you need to go over to the three dots, click on it, and then from here you can scroll down and find here option cast, save, and share. And if you hover your mouse over here, you can find the option to install Google Meet, create shortcut as well. So I'll just click on install Google Meet and then click on install. And as you can see here, it has opened up in a separate window. So now you can easily use it like a separate app. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.